This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Doom on PC using an easy method. First, you will need to select a modern source port, which greatly enhances the original game. Next, you'll acquire the essential Doom WAD files, which contain all the game's levels and assets. Finally, we'll put it all together, ensuring you can enjoy this classic shooter with minimal fuss. It's a straightforward process that brings the iconic experience to your computer. Choosing the right source port is crucial for your Doom experience. GZ Doom is a fantastic option, providing modern features like mouse look and higher resolutions, making it feel fresh. If you prefer a more authentic, classic feel, PR Boom Plus is an excellent choice, staying very true to the original game. For those who love playing with friends, Zandronum offers robust multiplayer capabilities, supporting up to 64 players online. To play Doom, you'll need the original game data, known as WAD files. The easiest way to get these is by purchasing Doom or Doom 2 from digital platforms such as Steam or GOG. Once purchased, locate and extract the Doom, WAD and Doom 2, WAD files from the game's installation directory. These small files, typically around 12 to 15 megabytes each, are the heart of the game and must be placed into your selected source ports folder. With your source port installed and WAD files in place, you're ready to launch. Simply run the source port's executable file, and Doom should start right up. Take a moment to configure your controls, video resolution, and audio settings to your liking for the best experience. Now, you can dive into the intense, fast-paced action of Doom, battling hordes of demons and reliving a true gaming classic on your personal computer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.